right, welcome back again. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So I just want to go through this post, and before then, I want to say something. This guy on the screen now, this man, this is our brother here, ran this sort on me with Chigoze, the owner of the channel that he normally appear. Some of you know Chigoze. I have forgotten, to be honest with you, I can't remember his channel name. But you know him, they call him, I think his name is Okokontem. I think his nickname. He's not the real Okokontem that all of you know, or the one you heard about, because I don't even know him though, because Okokontem ran during the time of 60s, 1967, 1960, thereabouts. But we are not here to talk about it. I think 1967 to 1970, during the time of Biafran War, okay, a man called Okokontem, he was the, I think, information or broadcaster, something like that, about radio Biafra and all that. So many of you know that. If you don't know, please, you can check it out. But this man, whom people loved, many people like him. People actually believe that for him to, the way he comments, the way he reacts on issues, then, not now, but when he go and get off, he begin to miscalculate, begin to misyan. And there's a video they made where they talked about COS. Then I reacted on that, and they called me out and began to bash on me, and which I ended up replying to them. We went back and forth, that time. But as God may have it, we are no longer battling anybody or trying to send word. The battle is over. Although it's not even battle, though, it's just a mere argument. Now, he has changed, because he was trying to tell me that I'm supporting somebody who is not getting it right. Why are you talking about I should call out COS and I call out USB government? That the Grace are the one getting it right, like what Reverend Benjamin told them. And I said, I'm not here to side anybody. That this is what I feel, this is what I think that is the right thing to do. I believe that the world is going about being, forcing himself to be a leader. That I smell, I can perceive fraud, I can perceive, desperation, and I don't like it. Then I ended up saying that if you want to follow, normal procedure of government structure, that CS come before finance minister to take the role of a leader or prime minister or president. COS come before that. Which many of you can agree with me on that, because this man, he actually believes that he knows what he's saying. He wants to become something, and I don't need to go back there now. But just for us to be sure, for us to know why I chose to react on that and what I'm doing now, he has come to the realization that Ogenkere is not getting it right. This is just short video of him bashing Nan on Ogenkere, or distancing himself from Ogenkere, or you may say condemning what Ogenkere is doing, because they are now trying to understand it, even though the people that are leading them now is also questionable. But I just want to remind you of what he said before you now watch this recent video of his. I stumbled on this video a couple of days ago. I just said this because I have other things to write on. So now I think it's right time for me to bring it up. I'm not trying to monitor how they do their things, how they do their stuff. But when I saw the video, I said, okay, is this not the same man that was abusing me? Is it not the same man now? The same thing goes with the Eggman, who said all manner of nonsensical things about COS, about Biafrans, about Ugo 247, about everybody, and was trying to elevate and promote Ogenkere to the highest level. He is the man and hosting program often, every now and then, trying to counter everything about Ogenkere. It's good to accept that you are wrong, but always remember to attend the apology, that you are sorry that you got it wrong. Okay? Now, I'm not saying that COS is angel, like I always tell you. We somehow Many people don't like it when I say that, but that's just the fact. She's not an angel. She's not an angel, and it's not about her. It's about setting the record straight. I know many, like I said in my video yesterday, some of us that actually believe in what we are doing, that often share our videos, have stopped doing that simply because of one or two things. Because I did not say it the way you want, and that doesn't make you different from then, because you cannot just eat your cake and have it. We are independent for a reason. I don't want to analyze something that I don't need to analyze, but those who have ear will hear. You should hear that, because I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, please, this is me begging you to like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Try your best and support us in any way you can. That is the best way to go about it. Like I said, I don't want it to be too long. It's not going to be too long. So just pay attention. Let us hear from Okokondem. All right?
Against him, but the deputy secretary of Breed, you will know that Ogenkere is no more working accordance of restoration of Biafra. He's no more working accordance to be loyal to Prime Minister. Because if he want to be loyal to Prime Minister, he could not have appoint himself to be a president. Then if he's a president, which the Prime Minister is under him, this is a total coup. Total coup cannot be condoned. You understand? Have you been in some countries now? You can call it coup d'etat, and that's because I'm sure that is fair. You can facing firing squad, but Biafra is not like that. We are building up. No matter what happened, we are building up.
What could have been his intention without regard, of course, to the constituted authorities, board of trustees, and the rest of them, and other cabinet members, not seeking their approval by taking such solitary decision?
His decision or his mind, he wanted to become Hitler of German Nazis. That's the area is going to become a Hitler in Biafra. Not only Hitler, if he succeeds, he may abolish Biafra completely and come back to Nigeria. Because the way he's going now, he's not looking for the benefit of Biafrans.
He's not looking for the benefit of Biafrans. So you can see he's trying to balance his argument. And but remember, when we condemn some of the things that he was doing, some of the things that he was doing, or when we distance ourselves from him at the beginning, the reason is because we saw some memo, some utterances, and some crooked movement that he was making, some bribery and corruption that some defense of Biaga. Let's have take this one to just this for appreciation. When you have not done anything, he chose to use money to appreciate you. What do you think that money is? How can you translate that? What do you think the money is for? If not bribe, of course it's bribe. It is bribe. So we know all those things, but then you don't want to listen. You decided to talk because you think you can talk. Finally, you are here, and I'm happy that you are the one saying what I'm saying now. At least that is. I'm happy that you are the one saying it the way it is, even though you have not said it, all. You have not said it all like the way I wanted you to say it. But at least you can admit now that this is who Ogenkere is all about. At least you can admit it now. Is it too late? Somehow, because some of you have used your platform to deceive many people. Like, I know what you guys are saying, how you guys rubbish COS, and I don't know who they are listening to. I'm not saying you should listen to me, but the choice is yours. My own is to tell you the way it is. Then you following whatever you want to follow is entirely your business. Anyway, my people, we have come to an end of this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel.
His decision or his mind, he wanted to become Hitler of German Nazis. That's the area is going. to become a Hitler
Become a
in
Hitler.
Biafra. Not only Hitler, if he succeeds, he may abolish Biafra completely and come back to Nigeria.
What has changed him, Mr. Man?
Because
What
the way he's going now, he's not looking for the benefit of Biafrans. He look
He's not. He doesn't think for benefit of Biafrans, but he's thinking for what? Anyway, like I said, thank you for your time, and please don't forget to share this video. I want to know your own opinion because many of you know him. Many of you know him. You do watch his video. What is your reaction to this? Making U-turn from the man that you guys have been promoting and supporting all this while. What did you see that you have not seen before? I would like to know.